Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so do you think that this here, this ID and this function can only be limited to paragraphs? Well, the answer is no. So watch this. What we're going to do is, why don't we put in after this button here. In fact, I'm just going to go and copy this button or cut this button, and I'm going to go and paste that right here. So as you can see here, what ends up happening is, if you really wanted to, you can go like this, h2, okay, and we're going to go ID, and we're going to call this equals header change. And it's probably best that you don't leave spaces in here. It's just a good habit to get into. Header change, although it's not necessary in this right now. So header change, and we're going to call this change this header. Okay? And watch what happens. And we need to go H2, close that off. And what we're going to do is, in addition to this line, and if you really wanted to, this has been wrapped around, but if you don't want it to look like that, it's just kind of weird. Really, it's supposed to look like this. In fact, let's just do that right here. And what I'm going to actually do is, I'm going to copy this right here. Okay? And as you can see, we're going to call this header change. Okay? And we can keep it the same. So as soon as we click that, we can say, ah ha ha, I changed the text. And that's exactly what happens here. Now, notice how we didn't need a second function for this, because what ends up happening, as soon as you click this button here,